No, no, no.
Why?
Because you can't pick up baby Lila by yourself, baby.
Why?
Because she's too little and fragile.
Did you tell Libby who this is?
Tell Libby who this is.
Baby Lila, baby.
This is baby Lila.
Daddy, then this one.
You want the hat on?
Daddy, baby Lila, baby.
Okay,
Go
go.
to the play.
Huh?
Go sit on the couch and you can hold baby Lila.
Gonna hold her?
Huh?
Okay, go sit down.
Dad, she's baby Lila. Then wood.
Yeah, for your food. Okay, sit up there.
Okay.
It's like Libby.
Yep. Go ahead, get up there.
Okay.
Up there, right there, on that seat.
Okay.
Okay, put this on you. There we go.
Then she's baby.
Oh, look, Kenna, look.
Ah.
Then she's baby.
Mommy's gonna cheese you,
Why?
so you can see it later.
Then
Yeah.
Look at, where's her nose?
she.
Where's her nose? Oh, yeah, look at her. That's your little
She
sister.
likes you.
Then baby Dash go.
Her passy? It's in the backpack.
Baby love Dash now.
She needs her passy now?
Mhm. Baby Dash now. Baby Dash.
Can you give her a kiss?
Baby.
Be careful. Be gentle.
She's saying, hi, Kenna. Hi.
Baby Dash.
She needs her passy.
Mhm.
Yeah, we're going to have to get it for her. You're right.
Baby Lava. Baby Dash. Okay. Okay.
Give her a kiss. Oh, good job.
Baby Lava.
I'm going to change her and wake her up.